How to pay your Walmart credit card bill. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now, type in walmart.syf.com and then search for it. You will be directed to this website. Now, from here, you are able to make the payment. Walmart's credit cards are issued by Synchrony Bank. Here you're gonna get two options: pay as guest, or in the case you do have an account, provide your credentials and log into your account. If you select the option of pay as a guest, you'll need to provide this information: card number, last four digit of SSN and zip code. Or in the case you do have an account, provide the credentials and then click on secure login. Once logged in, navigate to the make a payment section, enter the payment amount, bank account details and the payment date. Confirm the payment. So this is how you can easily pay your Walmart credit card bill. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.